Welcome to FP Markets. To deposit using LetKnowPay, please log into your client portal. On the left-hand side, select the Funding tab, choose Deposit, and select the account you wish to fund. Following this, navigate to Crypto and choose LetKnowPay. Select from the pre-designated funding options or enter a custom amount and click Deposit. You will then be directed to the LetKnowPay payment process. From here, you must complete the necessary information. Ensure all details are correct before finalizing the transaction. Do note that you will not be charged additional fees to fund your account through LetKnowPay. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the funding process with FP Markets using LetKnowPay.